Welcome to Choice Champions. The best tabletop trees is probably one of the most enchanting ways to bring the festive spirit into your home, especially when space is a premium, transforming any small corner into a dazzling holiday focal point that captures the magic of the season without overwhelming your living area. Number 5. Best Choice Products 15 inches Ceramic Christmas Tree. Add a touch of festive charm to your holiday decor with this beautifully hand-painted ceramic Christmas tree. Its glossy finish and intricate details make it a standout piece. This tree is illuminated by 64 festive light bulbs, creating a warm and inviting glow. It also comes with 2 star toppers to crown your holiday masterpiece. Forget about batteries. This tree features a convenient 5-foot power cord with a simple on-off switch for easy operation. Just plug it in and enjoy the holiday spirit. Its compact size makes it ideal for any surface, from countertops and tables to desks and fireplace mantles. Bring holiday cheer to even the smallest spaces. Spread holiday cheer throughout your home, office, or classroom with this charming tree. It's the perfect way to add a festive touch wherever you place it. What we like. This classic ceramic tree brings a nostalgic charm to your holiday decor. Its vibrant, hand-painted design and built-in lights make decorating a breeze. If you're looking for a timeless piece that's easy to set up and adds instant festive cheer to any small space, this is the perfect choice for your countertop or mantle. What people say. It fit perfectly on my table and has an easy switch to turn it off and on. The multicolored lights are beautiful and made me feel warm inside this holiday season. Packed so well, no way it's breaking in shipment. Came with extra bulbs and a white and yellow star. The bulbs are tight fit so they won't just fall out easily. This is a high-quality ceramic Christmas tree. It's taller than I expected and is just lovely. The poinsettia leaf at the base is a nice touch too. The tree arrived well packed and quickly. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Magnetic Countdown to Christmas Advent Calendar. Get ready for the holidays with this festive magnetic advent calendar. It's a fun way to count down the days until Christmas. This set includes a beautiful magnetic tree and 25 charming magnets. You can decorate the tree with ornaments and a special star. No more lost pieces. An attached wooden box keeps all the magnets neatly stored together, ready for play. Discover a special holiday poem on the back. It's perfect for sharing with your family and creating a joyful read-aloud tradition. This makes a wonderful gift for children aged 3 to 10. It encourages imaginative play and offers hours of screen-free fun. Let their creativity shine with this engaging, hands-on activity. It's a delightful way to celebrate the season. What we like. This interactive wooden tree is designed for family fun and learning. It encourages hands-on engagement and creates a special daily ritual leading up to Christmas. If you have young children aged 3 to 10 and want a delightful, screen-free activity that fosters anticipation and family bonding, this magnetic advent calendar is an ideal pick. What people say. The calendar is in the shape of a tree and is made of durable wood. It measures 16 inches high and 12 inches wide at the bottom of the tree. There are 24 circles, which are labeled so kids can see which day is next for the ornament. There is an open box at the bottom to store the ornaments and star until you use them. The tree has pretty designs on it with green glitter and the box at the base of the tree is nicely decorated. There are 24 round ornaments and 1 star, all of which are magnetic. The entire backs of all 25 pieces are magnetic and they easily stick to the tree. The ornaments are a bit bigger than a quarter and are beautifully decorated. This is so amazing. Heavy-duty magnets. Beautiful design. Great quality. This thing is huge. So appropriate for my 3-year-old son. Can use every holiday season. High quality, perfect size, will be great as kids get older. Number 3. AerWo Mini Christmas Trees with Wood Base. Transform any space into a magical winter wonderland with these charming miniature trees. They come in 4 different sizes to create a beautiful, varied forest effect. Choose from 3 enchanting colors, classic green, sparkling gold, and elegant ivory. Their frosted finish adds a touch of winter magic to your display. These versatile trees are perfect for DIY projects. Build miniature winter scenes, decorate train sets, or create tiny homes for a unique holiday touch. Crafted from high-quality materials, these trees boast a lifelike appearance and textured details. They are built to last and maintain their vibrant colors all season long. Delicately packed in gift boxes, they are ready to impress. If any slight shaping is needed, a simple soak and dry will restore their perfect form. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us, and we'll ensure you're 100% happy with your purchase. What we like? Create your own enchanting winter wonderland with these charming bottle brush trees. Available in various sizes and colors, they are perfect for building miniature scenes and adding a touch of magic to your displays. If you love crafting, creating detailed Christmas village scenes, or want to add a unique, personalized touch to your holiday decor, these versatile mini trees are a fantastic option. What people say? Beautiful colors, stand well and sturdy, nice shape. The quality is excellent. All the trees were as colored in the item description and the correct various sizes. Number 2. Best Choice Products 24 inches extra large ceramic Christmas tree. Add a touch of festive charm to your home with this stunning, hand-painted ceramic Christmas tree. Its glossy finish and XL size make it a beautiful centerpiece for your holiday celebrations. This tree comes alive with 74 multicolor bulbs and a shining star topper, casting a warm and inviting glow. It's designed to bring extra sparkle to your seasonal decor. Forget about batteries. It features a convenient 10-foot power cord with an easy on-off switch for simple operation. Just plug it in and enjoy the holiday spirit. Standing at an impressive 24 inches, this tree is designed to be a focal point in any room. It's perfect for adding seasonal color to your office, tabletop, or mantelpiece. Spread holiday cheer throughout your home, office, or classroom with this eye-catching decoration. Its versatile design fits perfectly in any space needing a festive touch. What we like? Make a grand statement this holiday season with this impressively large ceramic tree. Its hand-painted details and abundant lights provide a stunning focal point. If you desire a substantial, eye-catching holiday decoration that can fill a larger space like an office or living room, this extra-large tree is designed to impress and spread maximum festive spirit. What people say? This fits the bill perfectly. Put it on the table, plug it in, turn it on. No lights to replace, no needles, even fake ones to clean up after the season. The lights are plenty bright and they give a cozy look to the place in the evening hours. It was brightly painted, with multiple colored lights as highlights. It has a well-designed base and looked wonderful on the table beside our couch. Very well made and the lights are very bright and colorful. The size of the tree is perfect. Number 1. Twinkle Fluff White Polyester Stuffing. Introducing Twinkle Fluff, the ultimate pillow and craft stuffing. Experience a luxurious, ultra-soft touch perfect for all your DIY projects and cushions. Each piece contains 5 ounces of premium white polyester. This durable and resilient material maintains its shape and volume, ensuring your creations look and feel amazing. It's the versatile choice for any DIY enthusiast. It offers ideal support and comfort for stuffing pillows, toys, cushions, and more, bringing your homemade creations to life. This stuffing easily molds and shapes to your desired form. It allows for effortless crafting and customizing, whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out. Choose Twinkle Fluff for your next project and experience the difference. Transform ordinary cushions and crafts into extraordinary, plush creations that'll have everyone talking. What we like? This ultra-soft polyester stuffing is perfect for bringing comfort and volume to your creative projects. Its high-quality, resilient nature ensures your creations maintain their plushness. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for premium material to stuff pillows, toys, or cushions, and want that luxurious, cozy feel, this stuffing will elevate your handmade items. What people say? I bought this for this year's crafting and it works perfectly. I have plenty left over as well for any additional crafts I come up with. 1 pack of this was enough. You can spread them into bigger or smaller pieces. They come with some iridescent pieces and the snow is the same material as the ones you'll find in plush toys. It really gives a look like snow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.